If you want to start making money in 2024 going on to 2025, here are some few truths that you should know about making money online. Hi, my name is Christine and I've been working online for the past 8 years, and now I help other people do the same. Without wasting any time, let's go into truth number one. Truth number one is that it's easier than you actually think. I know there's been a lot of debate. A lot of people right now are worried about AI, and others are saying that the field is too saturated and it's impossible to make money online, or it's super hard. It's easier than ever to make money online. Now, while it's true, AI is here to stay, and all you can do is to collaborate with AI and find ways you can use AI to make money, and on the field being saturated. Which kind of makes sense because everyone wants to make money from the comfort of their home. Everyone is right now trying to make money online, and if they are not earning, if not through skills, then they are trying to start their online business. So the online space is crowded. It has a lot of people. There is a lot of noise going on. But even so, there's still a lot of opportunities to make money online, and it's very easy. All you have to do is learn a skill or have a product that you can exchange for money. It's that simple. Truth number two about making money online is that you have to bring value to the table. I know there are a lot of people telling you can make money while sleeping, you can make money without doing anything, you can use a boat to make money while you sleep. That is not going to help you make money in the long run. While you can earn a penny or two here and there, this is not a solid way to make money online. You're just going to waste a lot of time and peanuts, because there is no one who is out here trying to dispose money without having a service or a product or just something being offered in return. No one is giving money for free. You'll have to exchange something. You'll have to exchange value in order for you to get money. So if you want to make money online long term, you'll have to invest in learning a skill, whether you invest in a course or just your time self-teaching on YouTube or Google, on platforms such as Udemy or Coursera. Wherever you want to invest, but you'll have to learn a skill. There's no way around that. So if you want to make money online in the long run, learn a skill, offer that skill for money, or use the skill to make money online, to start an online business. So there are two ways that you can make money. You can be selling your own products or other people's products, or you can offer services and get paid for it. Okay, so before you start making money, you should ask yourself these three questions. How can you help your clients or your customers? Okay, you should be solving something, you should be offering some sort of help, whether that's through a skill or through offering a product. And question number two that you should be asking yourself is, why should they pick you versus other people out there? There are so many people out there trying to make money online just like you. So why should a client or a customer choose you over them? This is where unique selling point and all that good stuff comes in. So you have to have something that you're offering, and you've got to be convincing enough that you are better than other people out there. Question number three that you should ask yourself before you start making money online is, what pain points will you be solving for your customers or your clients? You'll have to spot a need or a gap and come fill in that gap. Help your clients or customers solve a certain problem that is bugging them. That's how you make money in the long run. Next is truth number three, which is getting rich quick is a fantasy. Okay, it's a fantasy and a dream that will not come true. Now, gurus will tell you that you can start making money immediately, you can start making money and replace your job, your day job, within a day or two. And while it can happen, it's not the norm. Okay, for you to come on in the online space and start making money online, you'll have to have some background, maybe knowledge that might be helping you. For instance, if in your day job you're already working as a SEO expert, if you bring that knowledge to the online space, then your chances might be higher than normal to make money online almost immediately, because this is a skill that can be used to grow your social media accounts, for instance, to grow your YouTube channel, to grow your blog. So this knowledge, you can come with it and start making money online almost immediately. But for the normal people like you and me, it's not easy to just come and start making money. It's a process, it's a gradual process. You'll have to accept that process and come with your expectations leveled. Okay, don't come expecting too much, like I'll start doing this and within a month I'll replace my income from my day job. That is not the norm, and it doesn't happen so often. So truth number 4 that you should know is that it takes a lot of self-drive and a lot of self-motivation. When you're starting out, this will most likely be a 1 month show, which means you'll have to self-motivate. You'll have to be very self-driven, because there's no one to give you incentives, and sometimes when you're not seeing results, you'll have to push yourself. It's not easy to wake up every day and do something that is not offering you the returns that you want to see, and you've got to take it with a positive mindset and know that it changes with time. But before that happens, you'll have to motivate yourself a lot. It's not easy, but it's doable.